This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Stanley Steemer.
During these hot summer months, you're going to want to be hosting all your friends and family out by the pool. Everybody's having a great time outside, chilling in nice chairs, but sometimes those parties leave a little bit of a mess behind, and you're going to need a way to clean it up before your next one. That's why Eric Farrell with Stanley Steemer is the best. He's one of our favorite friends. And you guys do outdoor furniture as well. We've talked a little bit about all the services that you provide in the home that people tend to be familiar with, but what you might not know is that they've got your outside furniture covered too.
Yes, we do. So, everyone knows that Stanley Steemer cleans upholstery in your home, but a lot of times they just overlook the need to clean upholstery that they have outside.
I'll be honest, I wouldn't have thought about it.
Yeah, so the outdoor cushions, especially when you're entertaining and hosting people, having barbecues outside or drinks by the pool, someone's going to end up spilling something, making a mess.
It happens.
Just like with anything else in your home, you're going to want to get that cleaned up.
That's right. And I know, we live near the beaches, so a lot of sand getting tracked in and out of the house, or maybe even onto the outdoor furniture, which can then get tracked into the house and maybe do some damage to the cleaning equipment that you have at home. So why is it important to give Stanley Steemer a call rather than just, giving your chairs a quick dust?
Yeah, well, there's certain fabrics that, are really vulnerable to staining. So just like with any type of material, as soon as you have a spill or any sort of stain that gets onto something, you want to try and clean it off, as best as you can yourself, and then call a professional. But with your outdoor patio cushions, if you're entertaining, you don't want people to come over, see dirty, spotty cushions and be afraid to sit down.
No.
You want everybody to relax.
That's right. So if people are, having a party over, they've got great guests, but somebody does spill a little something, how soon should they give Stanley Steemer a call to clean their outdoor furniture?
Give us a call right away as soon as it happens. If you have something spilled in the morning, we could be there in the afternoon, either to clean the cushions on site, or we do offer free pickup and delivery where we can pick up the cushions, take them to our facility so you can still enjoy things out by the pool without, being bothered of having someone clean your stuff.
Yeah, especially on days where it's super hot outside. You don't want to be out there cleaning your own furniture. Give yourself a break and give Stanley Steemer a call to handle it all for you. What sort of stains and stuff do you tend to see with outdoor furniture?
Food's the most common, but, when you're leaving the cushions outside and uncovered, you'll end up with mildew stains. So that's why really a proactive yearly cleaning is important. We always recommend at the end of the season, you can call us, we'll clean your cushions, put them away in a dry area. So that way, next spring or next summer, you pull them out, they look great, ready for your friends and family, and then have us come pick them up or come to your home and clean them at the end of the season. Get them clean, you put them away, they stay dry throughout the winter months, and they'll last a long time without you having to spend money to replace them, kind of sooner than you should.
Yeah, and I know that we've talked about this, I think around this time last year, about sand in the home, but I think it is a good reminder for folks that if you track too much sand into the home, it could be damaging in certain areas.
Yeah, sand is very aggressive. Everyone knows sandpaper strips, paint off of things. That sand will do similar things to your carpet. It'll sand it, scratch it down, changing the appearance.
Yeah, and that's not what we want. Nobody wants that. So make sure if you are planning on hosting some parties this summer, you give Stanley Steemer a call. And then maybe at the end of the summer, too, when things are wrapping up, you want to give them a call. Like you said, you store it in a dry place, and then you don't have to worry about it. You can just keep enjoying summer fun activities. So for folks that do need to get a hold of Stanley Steemer, how do they do that?
So StanleySteemer.com or 1-800-STEAMER. Give us a call 24/7. We'll get you scheduled.
Yes, and I think I know you had mentioned that you do upholstery. That's indoor and outdoor.
Right, yeah. So whether the fabric is in the house or outside, we can clean it. Even leather. A lot of people, overlook the maintenance of leather, and it too, just like your skin, needs to be maintained, cleaned, and moisturized.
There you go. See, it's a lot of work that you don't want to do yourself. So once again, give Stanley Steemer a call. And we are going to let you do that while we take a quick break, but don't worry, we'll be right back.